So here now I would like to come on my next point, that is also a crucial one, and most of the property buyers, seekers and investors, if I talk about the things about this myth. So the myth is that only location will be a major criteria to have the maximum price appreciation in their property investment thing. No, this is absolutely wrong, and this is not a correct. Only one property cannot make you a millionaires or billionaires. Undoubtedly it only supports you for having your second income sources. Yes, so you have to think, you have to make a plan for the 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and max to max property investment. You have to make a corpus of the many properties. Yes, so ultimately if you get the success in creating so many properties, so definitely you can have the more and maximum income source by which you can create your portfolio investment. Through that you can have the maximum number of the earning and the somewhere I would like to say your second income source convert into the many multiple income sources. So now I would like to come on the my next point, next myth, that is the, as I said, without knowing, without you know searching, or somewhere I would like to say without making your input in terms of the legal inquiry. If I talk about the developer background, or somewhere if I talk about the land legalities, properties legalities, how can you think the only marketing pictures or like advertisement is or are only the validity to have the right segment of the property? So this is also a myth. You have to check, you have to even take the supports of the professionals. If I talk about the real estate consultant, or somewhere lawyers, somewhere those who practice in legal titles. So this is not only one thing. If I talk about the branding, marketing, advertisement or such all similar tools by which you can believe and you are ready to put your hardcore money in it. No, you have to check the all valuable segments, as I said, legal title, and somewhere you have to